Hey there, bird enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of northern pintail ducks. These elegant and distinctive birds are fascinating creatures with a lot of interesting facts. Stick around as we explore 50 incredible things you need to know about northern pintail ducks. Let's get started. 1. The northern pintail is scientifically known as Anas acuta. 2. They have a distinctive long and pointed tail, which gives them their name. 3. Males in breeding plumage have a chocolate brown head, white neck, and gray body. 4. Females are mottled brown with a shorter tail. 5. They are migratory birds found across North America, Europe, and Asia. 6. Northern pintails prefer shallow wetlands, marshes, and ponds. 7. They are one of the earliest ducks to migrate south in the fall. 8. Pintails can fly at speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. 9. Their wingspan ranges from 85 to 95 centimeters. 10. They are excellent swimmers and divers. 11. Northern pintails have a diverse diet including seeds, aquatic plants, and small invertebrates. 12. They often feed by dabbling at the water's surface. 13. Pintails are known for their graceful and elegant flight. 14. They are social birds, often seen in large flocks. 15. During courtship, males perform elaborate displays to attract females. 16. Northern pintails form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. 17. Females build nests on the ground, usually near water. 18. A typical clutch contains 7 to 9 eggs. 19. The incubation period is about 22 to 23 days. 20. Chicks are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. 21. Pintails are known for their distinctive whistling calls. 22. They have strong homing instincts and often return to the same breeding grounds each year. 23. Northern pintails are susceptible to avian diseases like avian influenza. 24. They face threats from habitat loss and hunting. 25. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their populations. 26. They are a popular species among birdwatchers. 27. Pintails are also known as sprigs due to their long tail feathers. 28. They are one of the most widespread duck species in the world. 29. Northern pintails can be found in both freshwater and coastal habitats. 30. They are known to hybridize with other duck species, such as the mallard. 31. Pintails are capable of long-distance migrations, sometimes traveling thousands of miles. 32. They are known for their rapid and agile flight. 33. Northern pintails often migrate in V-shaped formations. 34. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats. 35. During the winter, they can be found in temperate regions around the globe. 36. Pintails have a lifespan of up to 25 years in the wild. 37. They are known for their distinctive plumage patterns. 38. Northern pintails are often seen foraging in agricultural fields. 39. They are a key species in maintaining the health of wetland ecosystems. 40. Pintails are known for their inquisitive and alert behavior. 41. They are one of the few duck species that can walk on land with ease. 42. Northern pintails are known for their synchronized swimming displays. 43. They have a high reproductive success rate in suitable habitats. 44. Pintails are known to be one of the most elegant and graceful ducks. 45. They play a crucial role in the food web of wetland ecosystems. 46. Northern pintails are sensitive to changes in water levels and quality. 47. They are often used as indicators of wetland health. 48. Conservationists monitor pintail populations to gauge the impact of environmental changes. 49. They are known for their resilience and ability to adapt to changing environments. 50. Northern pintails are a true symbol of the beauty and diversity of the avian world. And there you have it, 50 incredible facts about the northern pintail duck. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating birds as much as we did. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.